Hello everyone, welcome to Fource Tutorials. This is your friend Ganesh. This is our new playlist for 12th standard students. The topic that we'll be discussing today is video tag. Now the video tag is used to embed your videos into your web page. Again, there are a lot of similarities of video tag with your audio tag. The audio tag we had discussed in our previous video. The link for the same is there in the description. So a lot of attributes also have similarity with your video tag, just like your source, controls, loop, autoplay, muted. Now all these 5 attributes we also discussed in our audio tag. So they work in a similar fashion. Let's look into it. So for video, we have a video tag, and under that we will be having our source. Now over here I have a video file out here, that is an MP4 file, so I'll use the same. Now just like in our audio tag video, I had mentioned you that always make sure that your media files are in the same folder as like your HTML file. So I'll say video.mp4, type is equal to video/mp4. Now one thing that I need to mention out here is the controls part. I'll just save this and let me run this particular file. Okay, so now here you can see the video has been uploaded, but because the size of the video is way too large, we need to actually set the height and width. Okay, here you can see height and width property. Now these are used to set the height of the video player and the width of the video player. Now this is again given in pixels. So let me specify height is equal to, let's say, 400, and width is equal to, say, 500. I'll just save this and I'll refresh. Okay, so now you can see a comparatively smaller video player. Now when I try to execute this, so this is my video. I'll also show you all the other attributes. We have already discussed src and controls. I've already done height and width also. Let's look into the loop part. So for loop, I'll simply mention loop out here. So what a loop does, it keeps on running. Okay, even after the video ends, it will restart itself. So let me save this and let's execute it. So now in this case I'll just fast forward it so that we don't waste our time. So here you can see after 12 seconds it restarted itself. We didn't do anything, it restarted itself. That is because of the loop attribute. Now for autoplay, the video should start as soon as it is ready. Again, just like your audio file, your video files also do not have this autoplay option with Google Chrome. So we need to run this particular thing in any other browser. So I say autoplay, I save, and now when I refresh it, so the autoplay doesn't happen out here. Okay, So I'll just copy this particular thing. Let me open it, Microsoft Edge. Let me execute. So now here you can see, as soon as the video got loaded, like it got uploaded and it was ready, it started to execute without even me without even me pushing the play button. Okay, just close this. Now coming to your attributes, muted, again we have already discussed that with audio. There is one thing that is different, that is the poster. Okay, now poster is an image that will appear before you actually start to play your video, so it acts like a thumbnail. Okay, now here I have a thumbnail, that is an image with me, so I'll use this particular image as a poster. Now for that, over here I'll mention it, poster is equal to, again it is very important that you keep the image file in the same folder as your HTML file. So I'll say thumbnail .jpg. I'll save this. I'll just remove this autoplay part for a while. And let me refresh this. Now if you see, this is the thumbnail that is actually available out here. Okay, just to show you, this is the same image that you can see as a thumbnail. That is which is being shown out here. When I start playing, the video actually starts. So that was your video tag and the various attributes of video tag. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you. Have a great day.